Life is tough. We lose people we love, face failures, and carry burdens that feel impossible to handle. But what if I told you, ancient wisdom from over 2,000 years ago holds the secret to staying strong when life hurts the most? Today, let's discover Stoic lessons that can help you endure, rise, and keep moving forward. Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters." We spend so much energy wishing life were different, but Stoics teach us to separate two things: what we can control, what we cannot. Pain, loss, failure, they are not fully in our hands, but our mindset, our choices, and our response always are. The moment you accept this truth, you stop being a victim and start becoming stronger. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The obstacle is the way. Every difficulty hides a chance to grow. Lost a job? It's a chance to rebuild yourself stronger. Heartbreak? A chance to understand love and resilience. Failure? A chance to learn a lesson success could never teach you." Instead of asking, "Why me?" the Stoic asks, "What can I learn from this?" That shift turns pain into power. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Think about it. How much of your stress comes not from the problem itself, but from imagining every possible negative outcome? The Stoics remind us, focus only on this moment, this breath, this step. Life gets easier when you stop dragging the past and fearing the future. True strength doesn't come from muscles or money. It comes from character. The Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort, like sleeping on the floor, eating simple food, or enduring cold. Why? To prove to themselves that they could handle life without luxuries. When you train your mind to be okay with less, nothing can break you. Because strength isn't avoiding hardship, it's being unshakable in the middle of it. So, when life gets hard, remember, checkmark, accept what you cannot control. So when life gets hard, remember, checkmark, accept what you cannot control. Use obstacles as stepping stones. Stay in the present moment. Build strength from within. The world may try to break you, but with Stoic wisdom, you will rise unbroken. If this message inspired you, subscribe to Empty Life for more motivational wisdom. And remember, your hardest battles are shaping your strongest self.